Allah's plan. I ask for strength, and Allah give me difficulties to make me strong. I ask for wisdom, and Allah gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity, and Allah gave me brain and brawn to work. I asked for courage, and Allah gave me danger to overcome. I asked for love, and Allah gave me troubled people to help. I asked for favors, and Allah gave me opportunities. So, always trust in Allah. वो अल्लाह ही है जो आपको दुनिया की तमाम मुश्किलात से आसानी के साथ निकाल सकता है. Believe in Allah, believe on yourself. Thank you so much.